Good morning,
Afternoon.
sir.
Good afternoon, all of
Good
you.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Beta, what were
Sir,
we
we
doing?
do revision only.
Yes, what were we doing?
Sir, we
Sir,
have
we
done
have
reasoning
done
in
revision of chapter
second
number 2
period.
of reasoning, sir.
We were
Yes,
doing
sir.
reasoning,
Sir, we
yes.
are doing reasoning.
And have we done the revision of first chapter?
Yes, sir. We are on second chapter, sir. We have all done second
Classification.
chapter.
We are doing the revision of classification, or we have to do.
Yes.
Okay, tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
last question that we did.
So
Tell me the last
Excuse me,
question of
sir.
class. Yeah.
Sir, can you send me the revision of number and series because I do not attend class.
Beta, you can see the recording.
Sir, I do not have recording also.
It is sent on the group बेटा रोज ग्रुप में सेंड करी जाती है रिकॉर्डिंग आप ग्रुप से देख सकते हैं.
Sir, the last question was choose the word which is different from the rest.
Okay.
Cry, stop, weep and laugh.
Okay. Okay. So this we did these questions today morning only.
Yes,
I think.
sir. Yes, sir. We have combined class.
Enough revision of. Chalo, 2-3 more questions, and then after that we will start with the revision of maths. Okay. 2-3 more questions I'm giving. Okay, I will share my screen. Just wait. Okay, I'm giving you 3 questions. Okay. I'm sharing the screen.
Sir, we will do reasoning only.
Yeah, last 3 questions of reasoning, and then after that we will start with the revision of maths. Okay. Yes. So these are the 3 questions on your screen. Can you see the questions on your screen? Can you see the 3 questions on your screen, all of you?
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I cannot see the screen. Sir,
Okay.
I cannot see the screen.
Beta, I have shared my screen. There is some network problem, I think, at your end. Try it again. Okay, you all have to, what you have to do is you have to send the answers of all the 3 questions together in the chat box. तीनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर एक साथ देना है चैट बॉक्स में. And very important thing, you have to note down the questions in your copy also. I will be giving you marks on the basis of your answers. And I will not accept answers separately. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे दिया फिर बाद में सेकंड क्वेश्चन का दे दिया, ऐसे नहीं करना है. Send the answers of all the 3 questions together in one message. एक ही मैसेज टाइप करके सेंड करिए तीनों आंसर्स. Okay. I will give you marks on the basis of your answers. Okay. So it is a kind of test, class test, revision test. Note down the questions in the copy also. I'm giving you 5 minutes for this. Yes. Have you all done all the 3 questions and written in your copies also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have sent in the chat box also.
Sir, please wait. I am doing.
Okay, I'm telling you all the 3 answers.
Sir, please check mine answer.
Sir, please wait. Sir, please wait. 1 minute. I am sending the answer. Sir, please wait.
Sorry.
Sir, please wait.
Sir, we have to send in group.
You have to send it in the chat box.
Sir, please check mine answer.
Sir, please check mine answer.
Beta, I
Sir,
am
please
checking
check
all
my
the.
answer.
Wait a minute. Just have some patience. मैं आप सबके आंसर चेक करूँगा, and I will tell you your marks also. So just have some patience.
Sir, I have sent the reasons also.
Okay. Keep your mics off, everyone. Yeah. I'm telling all the 3 answers. Okay. First one, the answer is terrible. Terrible is the answer of the first one. I'm highlighting the answer. Second one, the answer is monsoon. Monsoon is the answer of second one. And third one, choose the word which is
Sir, I can tell
house, ball,
why
roof.
monsoon is the answer of second one.
Wait. And the third one answer is house. Okay.
Sir, my all are correct.
Now I'm giving you your mark.
Sir, my last one is wrong.
I'm telling you the marks. Pratyush has got 6 out of 6. 2 marks for each question. All the questions are of 2 marks each. So that means 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 marks ke ho gaye तीनों questions. So if you are getting all the 3 answers correct, you will get 6 marks. Okay. So Pratyush has got 6 out of 6. Ritvik Arora has also got 6 out of 6. All the 3 correct. Adya has got 4 out of 6. 2 answers correct. No, sorry. Adya has got 2. Only 1 answer is correct. So 2 marks. Naman has got 2 answers correct. So he has got 4 marks.
Sir, my one and second both are correct.
Beta, Adya, you have given first answer as medium. Medium is not the answer. First वाले का आंसर आपने medium लिखा है आद्या.
Sir, I have written terrible only.
Adya Gupta. I'm talking about Adya Gupta. ठीक है आद्या, अभी आपका आया नहीं है. जब आपकी कॉपी आएगी I will see. Okay.
Sir, my reason.
Adeshika.
Sir, my reasons are correct or no?
Wait, beta, wait. Adeshika, your 2 answers are correct. You have got 4 marks. Avika Agarwal. Avika, I'm not taking your answers because you are sending the answers in different messages. So मैं check नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Adya Bhatia has got 2 answers correct. That means you have got 4 marks. Nihit has got One answer correct, so he has got 2 marks. Sir Mahendru has got all the 3 correct, so he has got 6 marks. Athar, I'm not taking your answers because आपने मेरे answers बताने के बाद आपने send करा है. So I'm not checking any more answers after that.
Sir, but my all answers are correct.
Who? What is your name?
Sir, Avika.
Sorry? अविका.
Sir, Avika.
अविका बेटा एक ही मैसेज में सेंड करना आंसर, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. So, sir, I can send it now.
Okay, so these questions were the last questions of the topic reasoning reasoning, and the topic was classification. Now we will start with the revision of maths. Okay, let's start the revision of maths.
Sir,
Are
my
you all-
reasons are correct or not?
Are you all prepared for the maths revision? You have prepared the first 3 chapters, chapter 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, sir.
Beta, what are your reasons? Let
Yes,
me tell
sir.
you the reasons also. आपको reasons भी पूछने हैं. Let me tell you the reasons of these all the 3 questions. मैं बता देता हूँ. चलो, who will tell? कौन बताएगा? First one. Who will tell the reason of
Sir,
first
can
one?
I tell?
Yes, बताओ बेटा.
Sir, except terrible, sir, all are the synonyms of terrible.
नहीं बेटा. मीडियम, एवरेज एंड मीडियोकर का मतलब होता है जैसे सपोज देयर इज अ स्टूडेंट इन द क्लास, सपोज वो उसके बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स भी नहीं है, बहुत खराब भी नहीं है, तो हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एवरेज मार्क्स हैं उसके, ऐसे बोलते हैं एवरेज मार्क्स हैं. तो मीडियम, एवरेज एंड मीडियोकर, ये तीनों वर्ड जो हैं, ये तीनों एवरेज के सिनोनिम्स हैं.
Sir,
एवरेज के
second
मतलब
one
कोई
should I
कोई
tell?
Sir, I can.
बेटा
Sir, I can tell of
लेट मी
second one.
कंप्लीट. मैंने अभी खत्म कर ली अपनी बात, थोड़ा पेशेंस रखिए. मैंने अभी कंप्लीट थोड़ी कर ली अपनी बात. तो समथिंग विच इज नॉट बैड, नॉट गुड, वो उसके लिए हम कैसे वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं? वी यूज वर्ड्स लाइक मीडियम, एवरेज एंड मीडियोकर. ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं. समथिंग विच इज नॉट बैड, विच इज नॉट गुड, जो बीच में कहीं होती है, उसको हम मीडियम भी बोलते हैं, एवरेज भी बोलते हैं, मीडियोकर भी बोलते हैं. टेरिबल क्या होता है? टेरिबल इज समथिंग विच इज बैड. तो टेरिबल इज द ऑड वन आउट हियर. ठीक है. Second one, who will tell the reason? Now tell.
Sir, I can tell.
Sir, I can tell.
इसका नाम बताइए.
Sir, Avika.
Sir, Adya.
Okay, Avika, tell the reason of second one.
Sir, because monsoon is celebrated in Bareilly or are not celebrated in Bareilly.
Monsoon is?
Sir, monsoon is the season of Bareilly and.
बेटा, monsoon is a season
Sir,
and
I
all the
can tell this one.
बरेली से मतलब नहीं है यहाँ पर. Monsoon is a season and all the rest of the 3 are मतलब साइक्लोन, हुरिकेन एंड टेम्पेस्ट. क्या होता है? जब वो आपने सुना होगा जो तूफान जो होता है ना, बहुत एक मतलब वेरी डेंजरस वन, हार्मफुल जो होते हैं, तूफान से जो होते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं ये साइक्लोन, हुरिकेन एंड टेम्पेस्ट. ओके, सुना है आपने? साइक्लोन सुना होगा जरूर. साइक्लोन, हुरिकेन, टेम्पेस्ट, these are names of
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, monsoon is not any kind of tufan, it is a season. Okay, so monsoon is the answer. Adya, tell the reason of the third one. बताओ, पता है आप? Who knows the reason for the third one?
Sir, I know.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, except house, all are the parts of house.
Absolutely correct answer. Wall, roof and beam, ये तीनों चीजें हाउस के पार्ट्स होते हैं. Okay, so the answer is house. House is the odd one. These are the reasons. Okay. Let's do the next one. Okay, we will now continue with the revision of maths. We will start the revision of maths. Okay. So, have you all prepared the first, second, and third chapter of maths? First chapter was Roman numeral.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, numbers and numerations. First chapter. Second one was Roman numerals. Third one is multiples and factors. याद है बच्चों को? Yes, all of you. Answer. Are you all prepared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So I'm
Yes,
giving
sir.
you questions. One by one, I will be giving you questions, not all the questions together. Okay. Because tomorrow I will be giving you a small test on these three chapters. Okay. So come prepared tomorrow, everyone. अभी मैं कोई टेस्ट नहीं ले रहा हूँ. I am just giving you one or two questions so that you can revise. I am giving you time to prepare for the test tomorrow. Okay. Yes, I am giving the questions. First question is, find the factors of first part 48, second part 60. You have to find the factors of these two numbers, prime factors, not factors, prime factors. Find the prime factors. Do the prime factorization. मतलब prime factorization करना है हमको. Okay. Do you all know how to do prime factorization? Do the prime factorization of. Note down the question in your copy. Do the prime factorization of 48 and 60. I am giving you 3 minutes for doing both the questions. Jaldi karo. After that, we will discuss the question. Yes, all of you start your videos and show me your copy. Everyone, I
Sir,
want to
please
see
for
your
a
prime
minute I'm
factorization.
going.
I want to
Sir,
see
I
your prime
cannot
factor.
show, sir, because I am going with laptop.
बेटा लैपटॉप के आगे पकड़ लो कॉपी को. I can see. हाँ. Adeshika, you have not done? हाँ, माइक ऑन करके बताओ बेटा. आदेशिका, have you done or not? आदेशिका,
Yes,
हाँ.
sir. Yes, sir, I have done.
शो कॉपी पकड़ो कैमरा के आगे.
Sir, no, sir, right to something is left.
Okay, Pratyush is showing the copy. Alokik is showing. Who else is showing? बेटा दिखाओ जो बच्चे दिखा रहे हैं. Adya is showing and Pratyush is showing. Okay, just let me change the view. Yeah. Pratyush, Riddhi. प्रत्युष बेटा कॉपी दिखाओ थोड़ा पास से. Yeah, this is the prime factorization of 60. Absolutely correct, Pratyush. And this is prime factorization of 48. Correct. Both are correct. Riddhi, show your copy.
Okay, sir.
ऋतिक अभी देख रहे हैं बेटा. ठीक है, अभी देखते हैं आपका भी. रिद्धि, आपने करा तो ठीक है, बट आपने गलत लिखने का तरीका आपका गलत है. आपने 48 और 24 और 12 ये वाले नंबर आपने लेफ्ट में लिखे हैं. ये नंबर राइट में लिखते हैं. फैक्टर्स को लेफ्ट में लिखते हैं. प्राइम फैक्टर्स को 2
Okay, sir.
2 2 3. अभी आई विल शो यू ऑन द बोर्ड. ओके. एंड 60 वाला आपका थोड़ा सा गलत है, इसलिए बिकॉज यू हैव डन डिवीजन बाय 3 फर्स्ट. पहले आपने 3 से कर दिया. चलो, आई विल शो यू ऑन द बोर्ड. ऋत्विक, शो योर फैक्टर्स, शो योर कॉपी. ऋत्विक दिखाओ बेटा. अभी आप दिखा रहे थे. ऋत्विक, शो योर कॉपी. वेरी गुड, बोथ आर करेक्ट. एक्सीलेंट, ऋत्विक. हु एल्स इज शोइंग? बाकी बच्चों के मार्क्स ना 0 मान लो. बाकी बच्चे जो नहीं दिखा रहे हैं मान लें कि उनके 0 मार्क्स हैं. Adya
Sir,
has
please wait, I
sent
am going.
Adya has sent the prime factors and the message. Adya, both are correct. Very good. Adeshika, are you showing? Okay, I am doing both the questions on the board. 48. So first you will divide 48 by 2. You get 24. रिद्धि बेटा ध्यान से देखिए कैसे लिखते हैं. Then again divide by 2, you get 12. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6.
Sir,
And
you didn't check mine.
6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 60 का देखो.
Sir, please give one more.
60 divided by 2 is 30. Again divided by 2 is 15. 15 divided by 3. 3 से divide हो जाएगा 15. You get 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Okay, one more. इसी में ही आप एक और पार्ट ऐड कर लीजिए. थर्ड पार्ट. Add another one in this. Do the prime factors of the number 140. 140. start doing.